Welcome to Imagine Museum on Central Avenue in St. Petersburg, Florida. We are a contemporary studio glass museum with a world-class collection of over 1,600 pieces of studio glass, representing over 220 artists from around the globe. Our theme for 2021 is Imagine the World, where you can travel through our galleries and imagine being in those countries by the variety of expressions in glass from our artists. We are open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sunday from noon to 5 p.m. As you experience our galleries, you'll be amazed at the variety, color, light, and dimensions, creating a unique experience with glass art and the voice of our artists. If you need a little inspiration or a beauty uplift, visit Imagine Museum and bring your friends. I'm sure you'll want to come back for more. Guided tours of our collection are available Tuesday through Friday at 3 p.m. during the week. On Saturdays, we have specially guided tours for families that are engaging and informative. If you are ever looking for that unique glass gift, sculpture, or household items, jewelry, our gift shop is sure to delight.